The missing contact is right here. When you press it, the blue light comes on, everything starts working.
Alright. Do you want your name?
No, it's fine, thank you.
Hey.
Hello.
Hey. Okay.
Alright.
This is a...
Right now we're repairing a hand warmer. Very important.
Okay, the spot welds on this tab broke off when it was dropped.
And now Mr. Kazakov here is welding, soldering it back together.
Oh, and it's charging, guys.
Oh my god.
Operation complete.